Hey guys, it's Akko Stark here. In the next few minutes, I'm about to show you how to get a DoFollow backlink from Tumblr. You will need a Tumblr account in order to get a backlink from this platform. There are two types of text that will benefit your offsite SEO efforts. Number one is microblog. Number two is a regular blog. A microblog is a smaller version of an actual blog and normally averages anywhere from 20 to 300 word count. A full-length blog, on the other hand, is a regular blog that ranges anywhere from 300 to 5,000 word count. Both microblog and regular blog will do the job and get you that DoFollow link to your website. So let's go back to Tumblr and type up a microblog. All right, so in your account, just click this pen sign right here. If you're on a phone device, you can click the pen button right here. Once you're here, you can actually start typing your text in this inbox. And I just finished typing that up. There you have it, folks. This is my microblog. Now from here, I will select my anchor text, which in this case is this keyword right here. We're gonna add our link into here and just click done. Now add the appropriate tags to your microblog and click publish. That's pretty much it. Keep in mind, longer your content is, better it will rank in Google's index and more juice it will generate back to your website, which will ultimately lead to better ranking results for the website you're trying to rank for. Why should you get a backlink from Tumblr? Because Tumblr actually allows you to get a DoFollow backlink unlike other social media platforms. If you don't know what backlinks are or what DoFollow means, I actually did a completely separate video just on this topic itself, which you can click on the screen somewhere around here to check it out, or I'm gonna link it in description below. Tumblr's domain authority score is 89. Nice. And page authority score is 100. Domain and page authority scores are measured from 0 to 100. Higher score the website has, more valuable the backlink will be. Here's a bonus. This might sound obvious, but you'll be surprised how many people actually don't do this. Even though Tumblr might not be as big as YouTube, Facebook, or other mainstream social media websites, it's been around since 2007 and has built a pretty decent credibility in eyes of Google as a reputable social media platform. Simply pasting the link to the article or even the web page you're trying to rank can count as a social share, which might not directly influence the rankings, but still creates a positive signal for Google's algorithm to pick up on. The topic of social shares directly influencing the rankings has been a huge debate in the SEO game for a very long time. Although it might not be directly influencing your rankings, it still positively impacts and contributes to your overall off-page SEO campaign. To make my point stronger, let's take a look at a few companies, and when we type their name into Google search bar, what results will come across. This company right here, as you can see, social media, social media, social media. This company right here, social media, look at this. All social media. And this company as well, social media, and social media, and more social media. Google features these social media platforms under these companies for a reason. So it's important to cover your company on the different types of social media channels and get your content shared across. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to punch that like button right in the face and click that subscribe button for some more free SEO tutorials.